Trocheus sign. And with this, we will take a break. Trossesau. This is the spelling that is asked in your exam. Okay. Trocheus sign is done by inflating the blood pressure cuff around 20 millimeter above the patient's systolic pressure for 3 minutes. I will again repeat. So how is this test done? So this test is done by tying a blood pressure cuff at the hand and you increase 20 millimeter above the systolic, okay, for 3 minutes. And by this time, definitely these tissues, or particularly the muscles of the hand, are without oxygen. If they are without oxygen, with a low amount of calcium in the tissues, their contractility is known to increase and they automatically contract by themselves without any stimulus. Now, this contraction thus produces a classical deformity. The deformity that is produced, remember that now is something that I cannot show on this one. The deformity that is produced will include flexion at, remember that, metacarpophalangeal joint, extension at interphalangeal joint. Now that means if this is the hand, now remember that this is the way the fingers will be looking. So this joint is the metacarpophalangeal joint which undergoes a flexion. So this is the flexion, but these joints are interphalangeal joints which undergo an extension. The thumb undergoes, remember, an ulnar deviation. The thumb undergoes, the thumb undergoes an opposition, the thumb undergoes flexion and opposition, whereas the wrist undergoes ulnar flexion or ulnar deviation. So try it on your own hands. You will understand why does this thing happen. And this kind of hand, what is the thing that you are taught in physiology? What is this deformity called as? Hello?
Obstetrics hand.
Okay. So this is the deformity that occurs due to this point. So you can see the video once again. See the deformity in the hand. Flexion at the metacarpophalangeal, extension of the interphalangeal. See the hand is getting flexed on the ulnar side. That means the inside. So this is what you are required to remember. Okay. So this is a test that is of hypocalcemia. So it's extremely important test that you must remember. Okay, right. Now, finally, when you go to that point and remember that, what will be the cause of death? What will be the cause of death? What will be the cause of death? So the cause of death will be bronchospasm. And what is the other reason of death?
Asystole.
Is convulsions. And if you talk about the heart, someone talked about the heart, that means that gentleman is good in cardiology. The QT interval is prolonged. Okay. What is the treatment for this condition? Please take a break after this. I am tired. So are you. Okay. So what is the treatment for this condition? Now the treatment for this condition, as you can imagine, this is an emergency and you don't have any time to do any other investigations to treat or do an ECG, etc. All that ECG things that are there will be taught in medicine. I can teach you ECGs, but we don't have time. If you get a patient like that, what is your immediate treatment? Sir, my immediate treatment is I take 1 ampule of 10% calcium gluconate and dilute it with 50 ml of 5% dextrose. Okay, or normal saline, whatever you have. And then I infuse it over the next 5 to 10 minutes with a slow IV. That's it. After this, what I do is that I take 10 ampules of calcium gluconate. I'm not measuring the body weight, in 1 liter of 5% dextrose or normal saline over 24 hours. At least please remember this throughout your clinical career, because you are going to be dealing with these patients who require your help. Okay, so this is, and then thereafter, if the patient can tolerate, give the patient oral tablets of calcium carbonate with vitamin D. I can go on more talking about what can be done. If you do not have any response, please think of or adding magnesium. Completes. Okay, please take a break. I think I have crossed 1 hour exactly. So this is what is the complication about thyroid surgery. I took a lot of number of MCQs, many small short notes in medicine also in that. So take a break and we come back within 10-15 minutes. Hello, Shamulda. Hello.
Sir.
Break.